So we are going to go over the basics of how to make pita bread. First thing you should do is wash your hands. It is very important to be sanitary, especially in times like this. First, you're going to pour yourself 1 cup of hot water. Place that into the bowl. From there, you're going to want to get 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir that together, and then it's time to add the yeast. 2 teaspoons of that. After prepping the yeast for 10 minutes, you should add 3 cups of flour to the mix. Once you add the flour, it is now time to mix everything together and start to knead. You should knead the dough for about 10 minutes or so, and then wait an hour for the dough to rise. After the hour of letting the dough rise, it is now time to split the dough into 6 balls, which are going to be your individual pitas. Preheat the oven to 500 degrees, and while it is heating up, you should let the dough rise for a second time. Once the oven is heated up, place the pitas inside of the oven for about 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, you should have yourself 6 pitas.